Hello everyone, welcome to this Bold Reports tutorial. In this video, I will guide you through a step-by-step process of installing the Bold Reports server in a Windows environment using the Oracle database. Before diving into the installation process, let me give you a brief introduction. The Bold Reports server is a powerful self-service reporting solution designed to simplify creating, managing, and distributing interactive data visualization reports. The platform offers flexible data integration from various sources, including SQL Server, MySQL, PostgreSQL, Oracle, and REST APIs. It also supports various hosting environments, such as Docker, Kubernetes, Linux, Azure App Service, and Windows Server. It is a comprehensive solution for all your reporting needs. Before proceeding with the installation, ensure that you have the required hardware and software. I have included a link to the hardware and software requirements documentation in this video's description. Let me start by downloading the Report Server application. To download the application, log into your Bold Reports account. If you don't have an account, you can start your 30-day free trial by clicking the Try It for Free button. Once logged in, you will be redirected to the Cloud Bold Reports Server free tier page. Here you can explore the features of Bold Reports Report Server without installing or setting up any apps on your system. This allows you to experience its capabilities instantly by creating and sharing reports. Next, open the Accounts page by clicking the View Account option. Select Downloads in the Downloads section. The files are in exe and zip formats. I download the exe format file by clicking the Download button. The file will be downloaded. To install it, you must enable IIS on your machine. I have shared a link to the documentation on how to enable IIS in this video's description. Next, install the downloaded Report Server application. To run the setup file, double-click the downloaded.exe file. The Bold Report Server Reporting Setup dialog box will open. To view the license terms and conditions, click License Terms and Conditions. Agree to the terms by enabling the checkbox, and click Next to proceed to the Install Settings screen. The installation location field indicates where the application will be installed and where related files will be copied. The server application can be hosted on a Microsoft IIS web server. The port number field shows the port on which the application will be hosted. And the site name field displays the site name hosted in the IIS server. By default, additional settings are enabled. Create Start Menu Group and Create Desktop Shortcut are used to create shortcut icons after installation. If you disable these icons, you can start the application later by searching for it in Windows. Change firewall settings to allow access to external devices enables communication between the hosting device and other external devices over the network. Click Next to proceed to the Deploy Chromium Packages page. By default, the Download Chromium Packages is enabled. This is used for exporting images and PDF functionalities in reports and widgets. Click Next to navigate to the Deploy Data Hub page. This step loads data from various data sources into PostgreSQL, Microsoft SQL Server, MySQL, and Apache Doris. Click Next to navigate to Consent to Deploy Client Libraries. To connect with Oracle, PostgreSQL, Snowflake, MySQL, and Google BigQuery data, agree to their license terms and conditions since they are third-party data connectors. Select the Select All option to install all client libraries. This will extract the required packages. Click Install to begin the installation process. Since you selected Microsoft IIS as the web server, you will see the application added under Sites in the IIS Manager. Here, Bold Reports Enterprise Reporting is the site name. API is a sub-application containing all the APIs for the Bold Reports server. An ETL service is used to load data from your sources into the data store warehouse. Reporting, a sub-application, represents the Bold Reports server. UMS, User Management Server, is used to manage users of Bold applications such as Bold Reports and Bold BI. Windows authentication is used as the authentication type for connecting to a SQL Server database. After the client library installation process, you can launch the application by clicking Launch Application. To proceed with the installation, you must activate your Bold Reports account. This can be done by using the Login to Activate Account button or an Unlock Key file if you work in a secure environment and cannot connect outside the firewall or to an external server. Click Upload your Unlock Key file, and then the Here link to get the Unlock Key from your account. On the Downloads page, click the Claim License Key to open it. Here, expand the Get Unlock Key file section and download the Unlock Key file. Next, upload the key file. Activate the account by clicking the Login to Activate Account button, which will open the User Control Administration page. If you have more than one portal license, the Select Your Portal License dialog will appear. You need to choose a portal license from the list. Since I have only one license, I skip this step. Next, we will create an administrator user for the report server. Fill in the required fields, and click Next to proceed to the database configuration mode. The first option is Shared Database Mode. In this mode, all tenants share a single database, with data logically separated using unique identifiers. This approach optimizes resource utilization, reduces infrastructure costs, and simplifies maintenance while maintaining data segregation. It is well suited for scalability and efficient management. Only the PostgreSQL database is supported in this mode. The second option is Separate Database Mode. In this mode, every tenant has its own dedicated database, ensuring that data is separate. This improves security, allows independent management, and enhances performance for each tenant. PostgreSQL, Microsoft SQL, MySQL, and Oracle databases are supported in this mode. I am using the Separate Database Mode, and click Next to the Database Configuration page. It allows you to configure a single or separate database for Bold ID and reports. The Bold ID database stores information about sites, users, and access permissions. The Bold Reports database stores reports, users, and resource access permissions. You can choose between the two configuration modes. Simple Mode, which configures a single database for both Bold ID and Bold Reports. And Advanced Mode, which configures separate databases for them. You can choose Microsoft SQL Server/Azure SQL, PostgreSQL, MySQL, or Oracle as the server type. Based on your selection, the form will refresh, displaying fields related to the chosen database. In this demo, I will choose Simple Mode and select the Oracle server type. Next, I enter the necessary fields and enter the database name as Bold Report Server Data. The port number field shows the port on which the application will be hosted. The service name is used to store and manage the server application tenant, report resources, users, and their resource access permissions. You can modify the table's prefix and server table's prefix values if needed. These prefixes will appear in your table names within the database. I proceed with the default values and click Next to install the app. Once the deployment is complete, you will be able to manage sites or create reports. Click the Go to Reports option. On the Reports page, sample reports will be automatically added. Click a report and it will be rendered. In this video, I have shown you how to install the Bold Report Server application in a Windows environment using Oracle Database. If you found this video useful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching.